Welcome to Imperial CAD system. In this video I will show you some basic settings on CATIA V5, so which are very useful. Those settings are, first I go to start. See, when you open start, you may or may not see these options like whatever the workbenches you use, part design, drafting, assemble, I kept in an order. See, normally most of your softwares, you may see that when you select start directly, infrastructure will be visible. After that, mechanical design. Then how to set these workbenches at start, that I will show you. See, first go to tools, options, tools, go to customize. See here, start menu. You can select start menu, what all the workbenches you require: assembly, design, part design. It will be placed in alphabetical order. You just need to select see drafting, and you have to select this right side arrow so that the workbench shifts to this block. See, if you don't want the workbench, then select that drafting and select this left button, then close this. See, I will show you here, drafting is missing at start menu. So to set this, go to tools, customize, select the workbench what you require, then close this. Then here you can see left side top you can see the specification tree. To change this specification tree, I want to place somewhere bottom or right side. Go to tools, options. To do settings on the specification tree, go to display. See, tree appearance. See, by default it is in classic window style. If you select constructive history, you can see here it is placed horizontal and vertical like boss. Tools, options, structure, left bottom it is placed. Tools, option, relational. So you can see like this, it is shown. Tools, options. By default we use this classic window style. Then to increase or decrease the size of specification tree, that means zooms in, how to zoom in, zoom out specification tree. See, I want to slightly increase the size, then you just select this, what do you call this, horizontal line, vertical line showing this, what do you call, select that white line on specification tree. Now the part becomes deactivated. Now when you move, screen will not move, specification tree moves, so that you can place anywhere. Place at a corner. At the same time, if you zoom, see, with the help of mouse I am zooming it, zoom in, zoom out. So set the size according to your screen. Then to exit, just again select on that line. Then now that is fixed there. Now we can move this part. This is another setting. To hide this specification tree, you might have all known, just select this view specification, or you can also select F3. Then to change the color of the screen, CATIA V5 screen, go to tools, options, same thing, display, visualization, you just select visualization. Here background, open this, change screen color. Now the screen color has been changed. To set back, go to tools, options, select this second option. Now when you see in most of your systems, when you install CATIA V5, here you can see one what you call a window, small windows, so that with that you can move, you can zoom in, you can rotate. When you install, you can see in some laptops how to get that. If it is not shown, then go for tools, option, another setting, go to device and virtual reality, table support, select table support. Here activate a transformation pad, that is called as a transformation pad. Now go for OK. Now you can able to see here, see this is for rotation, circular thing, square shape, for movement, for moving the screen, zooms in, zooms out. See, just select in this circle, see it is rotating. Just I am using left button, and once I select that, it moves the screen. Now this one, see, just click on that block one side, it zooms in, zooms out, not using left and middle buttons. So transformation pad, so you have to go to tools, options, table support, activate a transformation pad. If you don't want that, check out that, then go for OK. Or else you can also right click on that, and you can check out. See, this is compass. So what does it do mean? See when you hold this line, horizontal line, not horizontal line, that angular line, it moves. Just select that. I'm not using a right or a middle button. See, just selecting that line. This also helps to move the screen, rotate. Part is not moving, entire screen is moving in all the three directions, transformation as well as rotation. See, X rotation. See this compass, what I do is I just hold this. Okay, I have selected that point, and okay, I placed on that surface. Now see, now it moves the part. Can you able to see, not screen. If you select and place on the surface, now that moves the part in XYZ direction. Okay, see, it has to connect to that surface, and also you can rotate, not rotating the screen, rotating the part. See, in all three, axis rotation and axis translation. After that, just place wherever it is. So there is a use of this compass. I go back. Next, and by default the units will be in mm. If you want to change units, go to tools, options, parameters, and measure, go to units and change this into inches or meters or centimeters, whatever you require. Then tools, see, to lock this toolbars, I want to lock this toolbars. See, I place the sketch based features in this horizontal menu bar intercept feature, and I keep this transformation features on the screen itself. Go to tools, customize, options. See here, you can increase the size of the icons. See, size of the icons. If you increase size of icons, you have to again restart the CATIA Wi-Fi so that you can able to see the changes on the changes in the size of this toolbars. Now I am not going to restart, I keep as it is. Then see, lock toolbar position, I kept this on and I close this. See, now toolbars will be locked to the menu bar. See, I am trying to drag out that toolbars. See, not coming out. See, not coming out. But the toolbars which are on the screen, on the workspace, see, that you can move. This will not be locked at this position. Only you have to, the toolbars which are on the menu bar, that only will be locked. To again unlock, go to tools, options, sorry, not tools, options, go to customize, options, unlock toolbar position. To check your CATIA Wi-Fi release, then go for help, select. When you open a CATIA Wi-Fi, then if you want to check, see, by seeing the icon you can see that it is release 20. Then when you are working, to see, go to help, CATIA Wi-Fi. This helps you which version is it and which release you are working on. And to change these planes, say if you want to work on access system, before that, to increase these planes, by default planes x, y, y, z, z, x. To increase size of these planes, go to tools, options, infrastructure, part infrastructure, go to display. See here, access system display in mm. See, 25 mm. I increase 45. Then you can see the increase of plane size. Then if you want to work on an access system, not on plane, then how to get into access system? See, this should be hidden, plane should be hidden, and I want to see only access system. Then go for tools, options, get into part document. See here, select create an access system. Then when you open new window, file, new, part, see here, new part, this window appears. Here you can write a name, then go for OK. Now you can see screen opening with access system. Of course it has planes that will be hidden. See, if you want to see plane again, right click, XY plane, YZ plane, ZX plane, right click, show. When you open file, open, sorry, file new, when you get into file new part, a window appears, a new part window. File new, this window, sorry, not this one, file part, see new part window appears. So if you don't want to see this window, how to check out that, or if you want again, if you are not getting that window, how to get back that new part window once you open new file. For that, go to tools, options, see same in the part document, you have to select a display new part dialog box. When you open, it should be checked on. In that case, when you go for a new part, see here, so if you check this create order geometrical set or geometrical set, this file, the file which I opened here, it was unchecked, that's why there is no geometrical set in this specification tree. Now I checked, then see, you can see geometrical set and under that part body. So you have to do part, right click, define, and you have to work. These are all some basic settings on CATIA V5. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, do subscribe Imperial CAD System.